and welcome to another quick Jackdaw demo video. Today we'll be doing a demo of the MangoFarmAssets wallet. You can find it at MangoFarmAssets.com. It is a Ravencoin web wallet, but it is asset aware, so you can send and receive assets from it and a lot more. And we'll go over quickly, what the main features of this wallet are and how you can send, store, and transact your Jackdaw here. When you go to MangoFarmAssets.com, you'll see there is a login page. From here, you can log into your pre-existing account or you can create a new account. Once you're logged into your account, this is what you'll see. You'll see your wallet information at the top, what your balance is, what the current price of Raven is, how many assets you own, regular assets and ownership or admin assets. You can send or receive Raven, and then there's this cool advanced tools feature where or menu, I should say, and you can switch between mainnet and testnet, and there is a Ravencoin testnet faucet, I believe, in there as well. We can take a look at that right now. Yep, you see get T Raven. We can toggle that back and head back to mainnet. You can turn on and off your two-factor authentication, view the chart. This is where you can back up your seed phrase, so you can import this wallet to other clients if you want, or just to have a backup. Show addresses, view XPub, IPFS backup, and donate. So you've got a few different options in the advanced tools that you can take advantage of right out of the gate. But if we scroll down a little bit, we can see both our regular assets, and with this toggle, we could see any admin assets that we own as well. But taking a look at the assets, you'll see that every asset has a little 3-dot menu in the top right. You can click an asset. Let's check out our Jackdaw. You can tap on an asset. And again, we're looking at the mobile version of MangoFarmAssets today. It displays really well both on your phone and on PC. It's a web-based wallet, so you can access it both ways. And like I said, the UI is great. No matter what way that you choose to access the wallet. But if you can look at the IPFS data here. In Jackdaw's instance, it's an image. You see the supply of the token or asset. The unit is divisible by 8. You can see that it's non-reissuable. And if you click the 3 menus in here, you can view the full full IPFS file. So that'll bring you out to like an IPFS gateway. You can save the file, you can copy the link to the file, or you can copy the IPFS hash. So a few options once you're in there, but to get out of this, you just tap outside the asset and we can head back and check out that 3-dot menu, and we can see that, we can view the asset like we just did. We can send the asset. And to do that, we would just enter in a Ravencoin address and the quantity that we're looking to send. We can tap outside there and head back to the 3-dot menu. You see that we can view a memo, which I believe is related to Ravencoin's messaging feature. That's not utilized with Jackdaw due to the ownership asset being burned. But there is a button to burn the asset, and then bulk send, which brings you over to a file upload. I believe that you can upload a file that has a number of addresses in it, and it will then send to those addresses. Don't quote me on that just because I haven't used that feature, but you can kind of see here that you would import a file to bulk send. So you can see that it's really quick and easy to use. You can access your wallet from anywhere just by going to MangoFarmAssets.com and then logging into your account. With Jackdaw, it's really it's a really simple token, so it doesn't take advantage of a lot of the features that the more, I guess you'd call them centralized, but the features that are centered around having the ownership asset, Jackdaw forgoes those features for a more decentralized model. So there is no real ongoing central issuer with Jackdaw to influence the project at all. So it's literally just a decentralized token. But this wallet is really great for storing, sending, or even burning your Jackdaw if that's what you'd like to do. But one more thing I want to go over before we wrap up this demo video, because we try to make these quick, is in the bottom left, you'll see there's a support button, the help there, so you can reach out to their support. That'll bring you to a ticket menu. But in the bottom right, you see this hammer with the X. That is actually, if you tap on it, the asset builder. If you wanted to create a Ravencoin asset, this is one of the easiest ways to do it, just because they really took all the all the, I guess you could say, thinking out of it. Not that it's not super easy to make a Ravencoin asset out of anyway, but here, I'll just give you an example here. We'll make Jackdaw, or pretend to make Jackdaw 2. Whoa. Having keyboard fun. And it'll let you know right away if the if that asset name is available, which is great. And we'll say how many we want. Let's say we're going to make 4. Let's head over to the next page, to step 2. Once we head over there, you can see that we can upload a file, an IPFS hash. There's a custom field, or you can have none. As far as this is what you're going to put for the IPFS field or the memo field for the transaction, or for, not the transaction, for the asset. We'll select none here and go ahead and move over to the next step. And that brings us right to the issue screen. So basically, we could, if we had IPFS data or a file, we had chosen to upload a file, then that would be displayed here. You can see we chose a supply of 4, and it's reissuable. We'd hit that issue asset, it would burn 500 Raven and create that asset for us. So 4 quick and easy steps to get started making Ravencoin assets with MangoFarm. Pretty cut and dry. It's pretty cool that you can do it right from the web, from your phone, from the PC. It's a great wallet to store and manage your Jackdaw. So definitely check them out. Go to MangoFarmAssets.com, make a wallet, back up that wallet, and then start trading your Jackdaw. I hope everyone has a great rest of their day. Jackdaw out.